Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a review of some more magnet balls that I got. Finally, I got my 30 millimeter here. So let's go over each of these really quickly. Now I bought all these magnets from Banggood. I bought them all in 10 packs. Okay, so this one here is 20 millimeters, 25 millimeters, and this is the big old 30 millimeters. Now they all did come in a 10 pack, but I can only stack 4 on top because I don't have any more to make it a bigger square. And let me just show you the actual size comparison difference here. So let me just grab one of each of these. Here's a 20 millimeter, here's a 25 millimeter, and look at this big old 30 millimeter here. Look how much bigger this 30 millimeter is. And let me go ahead and grab a 3 millimeter and show you the size comparison. Hold on one second. So these little ones here are 3 millimeters, and let me show you how small this is. So this is 3 millimeters, and I'm also going to compare it to a 5 millimeter. So let me go ahead and just try to pull one of these off of here, and I'll pull one of these 5 millimeters off, and we can see the size difference here. Look how small the 3 millimeters. You can barely even see it. And here's the 20, 25, and 30. Look at that. Huge difference. So let me go ahead and put these magnets back before I lose them. Let me put them back here. And let's go over more of these bigger ones here. And I'll just move this over. I don't want all these, like I have to use this towel here. It's going to start, if these get too close together, because these magnets are really powerful. Let me go ahead and move the big 30 millimeters. Let me see how it sounds here. Okay, ready? Ooh. Oh, that is pretty loud. Ready? Oh! And let me just get all 10 of them here. Now I have more of these ones here. You can see I did a review on these before because I had these originally. Then I just went on and bought all the 10 packs here. So I probably need to get more of these 30 millimeter balls so I can make it just like a bigger square. But you can see. Wow, this is like super heavy. Whoa! Oh, shoot. Hold on. I knew this was going to happen. Hold on one second. So again, these are the 30 millimeters. I mean, these are all 10 of them are right here. These are huge, and these are so heavy. Let me just put this on the corner here, and we'll grab, this is the 25 millimeters here, and let's go ahead and try the rattle sound on these. See how these sound. All right, let's try the 20 millimeters. Yeah, you can definitely hear. The bigger the balls, the louder the sound. Let me do the 30 millimeters again. Oh! Oh no. See, now it's getting caught on the tin cans here. Oh. See, the 30 millimeter magnets are way stronger. Look at that. Hold on. So you can definitely hear the bigger the balls, the louder they are. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys really my new 30 millimeters. I'm probably going to order more of these. So here they are, man. And I'll put in my other ones here. Wow, this is super heavy. Let me do this. Let me just bring this towel up here. Look at this. Man, I don't know. Oh, I don't know how much this weighs, but this is heavy. Put this. Let's move it. Ready? Here, let me try to drop them and see what happens. Let's see if I can. Wow, this is really, really heavy. And you know, even if you have these 30 millimeter balls, you can't, you know, do that with those Oriental silver balls. You have to like turn it in your hand without like touching. It's really too difficult to do with these because this is like. Let me see how far I can pick the 30 millimeters up. Oh, let me put this right here. You ready for this? Ooh, whoa. Hey, I wonder if I put it under the table. Let me put one of these big ones under the table. Oh my goodness. That is cool. Actually, what I can do is, let me just put it over here. Wow. Oh. I don't want to get it too close here because it hovers over there. All right, let me pull the magnet off. Let's see here. Let's try that again. Ready? Oh, yes. Well, there you guys go. Again, I just want to show you the size comparisons, but mostly I want to show you these big old 30 millimeters. I don't think Banggood has anything bigger than this. But there you guys go. See you guys on the next one. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.